That old, you know what I'm talking about, energetic old, laughy, old, bad little man. No, it's serious business here. You know what I'm talking about? We on that road trip. Why we on that road trip? Because you guys deserve it. Y'all gave me that 100K, so I got a surprise for y'all. We're finna go out there in Houston and see what's going down, see if we can get a little action. Let's see if we can do something out there. You know what I mean? If I don't make the meet get council, whatever that night is, then we'll find something else to do. But we finna hit that road. Oh, look at that. Yeah, y'all see my boo thing? Yeah, sir. She looking to the side. You know, she still got to get the reaction with this camera. You know what I mean? But I'm real live with it. I'm ready with it. Ain't no capping. But we're gonna get down this road and stuff. As soon as I get down this road, I'm gonna put you guys back on. Yes, as y'all can see, bad little man, we getting down this highway. Yeah. See, when it's time for a car meet, look at the time. Yeah, look at that time. We gotta be there before 5, man. It's already 1:55. Bad little man is on this highway moving and grooving for you guys. I'm doing this for you guys. Yes, sir. Y'all need that content, man. Yeah, like a little rain getting on my... What? Is it trying to rain on my car wash? What? Oh, man. I gotta hurry get out this little town right here. Bad little man can't go for the... Oh, it's getting a little bit heavy. Come on now. Lord, please let me make it. Lord, please let the car wash me. Yeah, you guys, I'm telling you, I don't think this car wash is gonna make it. Either the bugs or the rain, it's gonna get it. The bugs or the rain is gonna get it. I don't got that fine wine, but I want to tell you what I got there though. I got that right time. Yeah, I got that right time. My car telling the right time right now. See, we got time for that fine wine, man. My car, boy, I try to tell you, I put some fine wine with this car right here, boy, it'd be something else. I'll be pulled over every single day. See, it's a reason why God bless us with the speed that we have, because he knows some of us would be too full. Yes, sir. Man, we going through the rain. Ain't nothing gonna stop us too. We going through the rain. You guys deserve it. 100K. Come on, man. We're gonna make that like, yeah, all in 1 year. But for the meantime, we're gonna settle with that blank K. Yes, sir. And hit the road, smash and thrash with it. Ain't nothing gonna stop us. Y'all deserve it. I'm gonna get it for you. Yes, sir. Y'all need this footage. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh-wee. These little roads, it wasn't playing when they said it was kind of raggedy roads going around this thing here. You know what I mean? But anyway, shoot. We're gonna mash and thrash. I just want to put you guys back on to let you see. But we was back there a while ago. And man, I'm talking about it was pouring down. Like my whole car wash just, I don't know, it's probably out of here. Probably gonna have to pull up in Houston. If I catch enough time, pull up there in Houston and wash it. Get it done, you know. Well, again, we done made it out here to Houston. Yeah. We made it out here safely. Y'all see my boy car up there? Royalty on them 24s. Yeah. We came through here for a minute. And then we finna dip off and see what's going on. Dip in the streets for a little bit too. You got the up and down on that though. Oh, where he going? Oh, where my boy going? You know, baby, she's still over there on that game, YouTube. She's still over there. Still over there doing her thing. I'm full too now. Gonna lay some Subway. I feel. Yes, sir, too. We getting up with the gang. Gang. Y'all see us out here. We ain't playing no game. No capping. Y'all smell that? Ooh. We ain't talk about it. Let's get up in this phone. Oh, look at the Zay. Oh, Dave. What's up, bro?
What's going on, bro?
What you got going on, man?
Man, chillin'.
Already, man. So y'all go subscribe to his channel, man. So hit that channel on him.
Hey, subscribe to Zay TRD, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to that little man, you know. Be on the ground on the mission, you know what I'm saying? Just doing our thing.
Really, man. Y'all see this plane? Yeah. Y'all see this fast? I knew that was you behind me. I said, man, I know that car from anywhere. Yeah. That thing right there slick, man. Got the ground effects on there too. Yes, sir. Yeah, that thing right.
Good old V6, man.
Yeah, that thing that hard. Huh? Yeah, that thing that hard, man. Y'all see what time it is. Y'all see what time it is. We out here. Yeah, good line.
A blowout. Hey!
Yeah, see what I'm saying? Yes.
I'm back. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, SS Cherokee Monroe. No, I always got this mask on. Hey, y'all.
Yeah, SS Cherokee Monroe. That what you said?
Subscribe to the channel.
Already.
Share, like, to everybody.
Already. You know I had to come way down here.
I said everybody came down from Dallas.
Yeah, ain't no party without us, man. Y'all need us down here. Where about that?
Signal ain't here yet, I don't think.
Well, everybody just pulling up.
Yeah,
That thing right
they probably won't be here for a minute.
Boy, that green thing over there. Thing right there, man. Y'all look at that green thing. Y'all look at that green thing. I will catch it. Come on.
Abracadabra, abracadabra, I get the work like it's magic. Abracadabra, abracadabra, I get the work with no trapping. Abracadabra, why me flip $100 to 100,000? Hey, abracadabra, abracadabra, hey, abracadabra, 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 I get the work like it's magic. Abracadabra, abracadabra, I get the work with no trapping. Abracadabra, why me flip $100 to 100,000? Hey, abracadabra, abracadabra, hey, abracadabra. Abracadabra, abracadabra, I get the work on me, Tony Montana. I got the blood coming straight from Atlanta. Know this white girl and they call her Susanna. She be working at the Coca Cabana. I got the juice, no Tropicana. Here's the propaganda, tell me can you handle Alicia Keys, no piano. Sipping the cup at a dirty Diana. Disappear and reappear in the phantom. Pull up, so I ran up. How about with a couple dancers? I'm just tryna keep my pins up while I'm steady running biz up. Hands up, dab, ayy, dabbing with my hands up. Like abracadabra, abracadabra, I get the work like it's magic. Abracadabra, abracadabra, I get the work with.
Hey man, yeah, that thing, no boy. Where TJ going? What it say? Where TJ going? 392. Yes, sir.
Up on us in that Charger.
Huh?
I said you was snuck up on us in that Charger.
Yeah, man. You know I had to come down here, man. I'm tired of missing all the action. I'm tired of missing all the action. Shoot. That thing right there is sick right there, boy.
Oh yeah, bake that.
Uh-huh.
I was just start recording you.
Yeah, bro. What they say, what you waiting on?
Right. Different stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, this rap right here. Huh?
Alright,
Yes,
now
sir.
free.
Say,
What's up, man?
hey, bad little man.
Hey, man.
Yes, sir. You know, I've been on that channel, man.
Alright, cool.
Yes, sir. Man, y'all check that thing out, man. That thing right there, sick.
See you?
Yeah, that thing right there is right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So it look better than close, man. Y'all already see that's my boo thing. Yes, sir, that's my boo thing. Y'all say, y'all better feel the dig this channel. Oh, man. Them pipes talking. Pipes, y'all already know who it is.
You already know what it is. It's your boy Moneybag, the pull-up man. You know me, man. Winter, summer, fall, or spring, I'm in that thing. Hey, follow me on Royalty on 24. It's going up all 2020. You know it.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Y'all already see it. Uh-oh. Yeah.
Winter, summer, fall, or spring, I'm in that thing. We done made it to Texas. Boss is leaving with me.
All the way from Dallas.
Yeah, so y'all see, we out here doing our thing, moving and grooving.
Get your bad little man.
Yeah, that's how I want to go. All right then. Alright then. That's fireworks. Oh, but look at this thing right here. This thing right here is sexy. Yeah, y'all follow that Instagram, that IG right there. Yeah, sir. Y'all better know it. Y'all better know it. Y'all see the honeycomb stripes? Oh, then we got the wicker bill on the back. Look at the wicker bill on there. 5-inch tips. That's the way to go about it. Yeah, follow that YouTube channel. Yeah. Yeah, that thing, that nice, y'all. Real nice. Honeycomb stack. Yeah, the honeycomb stack. Y'all see where it is right there. We're moving the groove. Oh, we got some pipes over there. Oh, Lord, we got them pipes over there. Oh, yeah, that's sick, too. I know that thing right there, sick. Look at the colors flipping and flip, 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 flip. Ooh, winking, too. Yeah, they got a lot of them up out here, man. And this thing over here, you got them pipes going on over here. You know what I'm talking about? They just smooth to that thing right there. Got it sitting right Instagram. Oh, yeah, there we go. There are the pipes. Oh, yes, sir. Say, y'all follow that Instagram, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's nice, dog. We moving and grooving. We still coming through. Oh, don't y'all forget. Hit the Instagram up on this one. This one right here banging. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay then. Okay then. Tricking the lights. Yeah, look at the lights. I ain't doing the thing. Ooh, switching. Oh yeah. Y'all see him. Y'all see him. I see him waiting from across there. I said, yeah, let me go on and get it. Y'all see it. Yeah, then it got the spikes on there. So y'all follow that IG on there. Y'all follow that IG. Yes, sir. Y'all follow that IG. We're gonna stand that far back. Ooh, king of the jungle. Ooh, y'all see them spikes? Ooh, Fool's World. Yes, sir. Man, come on now. Come on. Come on. That dirt is nice. Real nice. Yes, sir. Nice. Yes, sir. Nice. Yes, sir.
Nah, for real.
Yeah, for real.
Hey,
Say, we've been watching a lot of this YouTube channel right here, and
hey,
well,
yes,
we
sir.
finally get to meet them.
Hey, man, we here.
We finally get to meet them. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. I gotta get a good dap on that one, man.
Hey, man, yes, sir. You
Gotta
know
get a
it's
good
all
dap.
love.
I gotta get a good dap one, man. You got some good contents, bro.
That's love. I
Some
appreciate
real
it.
good contents. Keep that grind up, bro.
Nah, for real.
Yeah, keep that grind up and boom.
Nice to you.
Yeah, every time you see bad little man in there, don't forget me.
Nah.
I'll let the man. Oh, y'all see that back there in the back room? Let's don't forget. Let's don't forget. Let's get every detail. Let's get every detail of it. Yeah, let's get every detail of this ride right here. That's nice. Real nice. Uh-huh. out of the pictures. We're gonna get over here to this thing right here. Mustang working. The Mustang 5.0. Yeah. Big BTB. Say, y'all subscribe to the channel. Check that channel out, y'all. I'll wait. You got it? Alright. Yeah, sir, that's nice though. It's nice right there. Let's get it going. Get it going on. Look at the color on this one. It's got a real nice color on that flippity flip. What's up, guys? Who car is this? That's your ride, man? Yes, sir, man. That's a nice car, man. Like the color on there.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
How fast you took it?
All the way.
Already.
All the way. Yes, sir.
Say, maxed it. Yeah. Say, maxed it. Yeah, y'all check out the Instagram on this too, guys. Yes, sir. Y'all see the Instagram right there? Follow that. Oh, okay, I got you, man. Let's get you right here. Let's get you right there. Yes, sir. Y'all check them out. Check them out. Yeah, got the wicker build on here. We got the wicker build on that thing there. Looking all right and all tight. Got the pipes back there. Yeah, we got the pipes. We like the pipes. Y'all follow the IG. Yeah, follow the Instagram. Whoa, I heard the pipes right back there. Yes, sir, that's nice. Daytona thing, real low. Yeah, make sure y'all follow that channel right there. Y'all make sure y'all follow T Rose right there. Yeah. Look at this one right here. I like that thing right there too. Yes, sir. Y'all follow Instagram too. Oh, got the bag. Oh, carbon fiber. Yes, sir. Carbon fiber. Man, good job. Good job. Good job. It's nice, man. Got the carbon fiber wicker diffuser. All right, diffuser. All right, it's nice. Nice. Oh, dead pool. We got the dead pool right here. Oh, this one here nice too. So here nice. Y'all make sure y'all follow it. That's nice, yeah. That's real nice there. Ooh. Sweet. Sweet like Texas. I kicked it a while ago too. Ooh, y'all see that right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. 707. Ooh, 707. 707. Y'all know about the T-Rolls. That thing, man. Yeah. So y'all follow the channel right there. CB Car Channel. YouTube. Yes, sir. And then hit that Instagram. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm feeling that right there, man. I'm feeling that. That's nice, there, bro. Yes, sir. That is nice, bro. Yeah, let's come down here. See what we got going. See what's cracking like. This thing is nice. 392. Oh, y'all see it right there. 392. Mopar or no car. Ooh, there. Ooh, look. I don't know if y'all can see that up in there. Yeah. That thing nice. Ooh. That's nice. Big. Blue drops. Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, gang, look at the Jeep, man. Come on now. Yes, sir. That thing right there lit, man. That thing. So that's how we like riding in Dallas. Yes, sir. Big wheels. We ain't playing no game. We ain't playing no say. Ain't no cap to tell them.
Ain't no cap fucking talking about big money shit over here, you dig?
Already, y'all got an Instagram, YouTube channel?
I got YouTube. Yeah, get
Talk
on
to me.
YouTube. Yeah, hey, look, y'all go ahead and go subscribe to me at Dior Twin TV, you feel me? Look.
Speak loud, man. I want to hear you. I want to hear you.
Hey, look, y'all go ahead and subscribe to me at Dior Twin TV, you feel me?
Already.
Hey, Instagram _ Lil Papa, that's what they call me where I'm from, you dig?
Already.
Yeah, go ahead and tell somebody.
Bad Little Man, sorry, Bad Little Man all the way
Bad
to Dallas.
Little Man.
Yes, sir. That's how we doing it all the way to Houston. Yeah, come on, let's get the front of this thing. See, they chilling on this thing, boy. That's how Jeeps need to be. Got the money, man. Got the money, man. Oh, man, let me borrow some of that money. All right, y'all, man. Now, guys, this thing right here, insane. This is nice. This thing right here really caught my eye. Look how they put it together, guys. No cap. No cap. We out here turned up lit. Yes, sir. Follow the YouTube channel. Woo. That's what you finna do. Yeah, sir, I like that, man. Right. Y'all see how they represent themselves. They ain't playing no game, no cap. No cap.